Say YouTube, y'all see by the title, I got another video today for y'all. It's lovely outside too, as y'all can see, but that ain't the point. Shout out rims on the cat today. We're gonna go this way to the garage and shit. Y'all been smooth though, like, I ain't really talked to y'all in a little minute though.
That though, 2025 consistent all year.
I let 20 go through first. Y'all see the big butt right here though.
Yeah, 20.
But hell yeah, cat, it's a little dirty, but I ain't really tripping. I ain't finna wash it today. It's kinda cold outside, but I just got the front redid it a little bit. It had a few imperfections that I ain't really fuck with. Y'all see I got a little pink on the eye. I'm finna light this up though. I'm finna get like a pink light in here. So, yeah, but y'all seen all that stuff, seen cool, strong fuck. But these edge rims I got though, like the red eye rim, some cool shit, block black. I don't know if y'all did remember how the last was like. They was like, like a flat black. They was the regular Widebody Hellcat rim, but I got tired of them, so I'm gonna pull the whip out though. It's probably echo in here, so I'm gonna pull the whip out, talk to y'all outside, try to clean up some of these, and then boom. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I pull out.
Motherfucker sounds so good.
With some lighting though. I know it's kind of dark in the garage, but let me get my little spray real quick. So, but yeah, y'all see the rims though? I like these way better.
Yeah, these
they gloss too. So they match the window tint, and then I'm finna get way more gloss black accents from them. Y'all see I went pink brakes too. I'm finna spray this too, clean all this real quick. Let that sit for a minute. Yeah, they look good though. Y'all can see like my old rim used to stay dirty. I'm finna try to keep these clean as much as I can. I ain't gonna cap, but y'all get the memo though, bro. Red eye rims. Y'all fuck with it? Let me know if y'all think I should have went on different kind of rims, or y'all think this was a good pick for real.
It's a W pick twin.
I think it's a W pick twin.
Yeah.
For sure. But y'all see the bit from the front too. It look good, man.
Hell yeah.
Facts. Y'all been showing major love on the gram. Like I said, as always, keep that shit up, man. We trying to go up all year for real. Put it back over here. But yeah. And then I went I think I'm finna go 315s on the front too. I don't know. You think I should twin or 305? What you think?
What you got right now?
305s in the front and then 315 back here.
You wanna go 315 in the fronts too?
I don't know. It look wide enough in the front.
Yeah, it do.
I don't know.
Hey, see what comments talking about.
Yeah, in the comment, let me know if y'all think I should go 315s in the front, like all the way around, or 305s in the front, 315s in the back. So, yeah, I get one more little walk around though. This video ain't too nothing special. It's just real. We just showing y'all. Yeah, these hoes just look so good. I gotta clean this one too. We gotta get the whole car detailed for real, but I'm trying to get these videos out first though. Yeah, so. With that being said, I'm finna probably clean up these rims, get out a little B-roll, and then shit, we'll see what's next. Let's do it. Yeah, YouTube, a lot of stuff on the web though, like I done did it myself. Like, y'all probably don't even know for real. I did the stars myself, like the ambient lighting and shit. I did all that shit myself. I actually put these rims on myself too, not like balancing it on the tires and shit, but I did most of this shit myself too. Yeah. You see that bit?
Money flex and drop that shit.
Alright y'all just seen a little B-roll. Twin just went in the crib, but Twin told me not to show y'all, but I gotta show y'all the new whip Twin just went. Like, Twin just went new Beamer Twin, big M5, like, this bitch so PR, like, look at this bitch. Y'all think he'll let me drive the bit though, twin? How I look by the But look, this with the big boy brakes, like twins you in, big boy. I'm proud of twin on God. I think that bit locked though, but yeah, that bit locked, but this bit so hard. He told me not to show y'all, but I'm proud of twin. I got it. Like Cat M, what y'all think a little better? They both hard though. This bit so tough, bro. Oh God. Hey, on Cat YouTube, I'm gonna be honest, I'm thinking about going M. I'm thinking about going G82. Like, after the track though, I gotta go track first. After I go track, I'm going Beamer. Like, it's like stamped. Either Beamer or McLaren, cause like, I always wanted a little 720S, but I don't got 720S money unless y'all get me there, so, yeah. But look at the whips together though. Like, it's so hard. We got M5, Cat. Yeah, it's a small little video for y'all though. Ain't nothing too major though. Twin got miles on the way too, so y'all finna see hella videos with us together and shit. Cat with the M. Cat looks so good, bro. From the crib. Oh God. But any videos I wanna see like coming up, just let me know, bro. Hell yeah. Ain't on Cap, twin. I did just show him the whip, twin. I did just show him the whip, twin. It's smooth?
I was gonna show him some.
For sure.
Yeah. Mine's on the way, y'all don't forget, man.
So, mine's on the way.
I didn't want to show him the stock M, but they cool.
Sure. I did just show him though. This bitch so pressure, twin. I'm proud of you, 5 on God, twin. Proud of you, twin. For sure.
Vice versa, niggas up soon.
On God. And y'all see like on Instagram, anything like, especially twin overly consistent. I'm proud of twin. Like, that's really how you go up, bro. Just keep posting.
Newski motivated me, man. My mama Newski motivated me.
Hell yeah. Like, twin been posting every day. Like, that shit real dedication. That shit not no easy, like, shit to do. On God. But this bitch so P. On God. Ain't gonna cap, we got a video on the way. Me and him gonna swap. Like, he gonna drive the Cap, I'm gonna drive the M. Yeah, we're gonna see how that bit goes. On God. Facts. But just look at this shit, YouTube. Like, this shit so hard.
Y'all niggas, man.
God, we just living January 1st too, by the way, YouTube. Y'all might not see this on January 1st, but this was recorded on New Year's though. Yeah. But it looking good. These rims are so hard to me, bro. Like, compared to the ones I had. Oh God. Sunroof. Then let me know if y'all think going black, gray, and pink was a good idea. Like, as y'all see, I got pink accents, like with the pink brakes. And then, yeah, black, pink, and gray. Cause I'm finna get the door jambs wrapped too, by the way. Y'all see it's red, but I'm finna get all this gray. And then I'm finna get that pink too. So, I for sure think the Cat finna come along real well. And so, and then any collabs too, I might start collabing this year. Last year, I ain't really collab with nobody but my brothers, like J-Ski, Kel, and a few other partners like Vaunt and them. I ain't collab with nobody else, so this year I might collab. Y'all just let me know who y'all want to see me do videos with. I'ma hit them up, they can hit me up, vice versa, whatever. So, with my phone on. For sure. Like, this bitch just feel luxury, YouTube. Like, sunroof too, this bitch so hard. Yeah, y'all think I look good in the Beamer though, like passenger seat?
I say get one.
And my baby always forward, I be showing
Get straight.
Hell yeah, twin, that shit sounds great.
For sure. I did want some subs, but it's like speakers already sound good. Why get subs? I just want my shit booming though.
Twin,
This shit ambient lighting. I can change the colors on that bit too.
and that bitch say, welcome, Kel. Like, that shit futuristic. You change the colors?
Hell yeah.
Oh,
I
God?
got purple, red, green, blue, yellow twin, orange.
That bitch so
I'm finna code it so I can code it to where I can get like pink on top, blue on the bottom on some crazy shit. I just gotta code it. That's gonna be a video though.
This bitch so hard, bro.
M,
y'all. M, not the little one. Facts, bro. You got the dry modes right there and shit, bro. This shit. With the back seats too.
sport mode. It's kind of quiet, y'all.
You can change the modes without it being on?
Without it being on. That's how I open my valves and shit.
For real? And the steering wheel move too, man. This shit so hard, YouTube. Then it say like P with the whip with the door open. Yeah, I'm fucking with Beamer.
Let me show you one more thing though, twin. Like,
show me that bitch.
see my fucking car.
Nigga, what?
I can see when niggas walking up to my car to on my mama.
So if you go out there right now, I can see.
20, if you go out there, you gonna see yourself. I go out there.
So, you too, what the?
Let me know if you can see me.
I bet. What? Yeah, I can see you. Bro, what?
Even when I'm backing up.
I can even see you by the door. There's cameras on the door or some shit.
I don't even know, twin, but like, the nigga walking up to the back. I'm watching. Twin, I can have this shit on while I'm driving.
You can just like, if you ever like, you feel me, eating type shit, you wanna be on 10, put the cameras around that bitch, twin.
You feel me, twin? I'm on that shit.
Oh, God.
Yeah, 2018 though, this not even the 2019, 2020, 2021, hell no, it's 2018.
This shit P, bro.
I don't even know what's.
And you got heated seats too and shit?
Yeah, back seat as well.
Oh, God.
Heated seats in the back seat.
This shit hard, bro.
Young niggas, twin.
Ride along soon, y'all. And he got the memory seat. Y'all probably think I'm just like overly excited. I am though.
Twin, you gotta get a beam.
I'm infatuated with this shit, bro.
Little Burble stock.
Stock, and it got some pop to it. Like, that's P, bro. I got look under the hood, twin.
Hell yeah,
for sure. Oh, you two, y'all fuck with the drip though? Now we go runners. Runners with the little gay jeans. Spider hoodie. Oh, let me get out for y'all though.
I don't know if you know, but that shit is at the grill. That shit open and close. So once I change this and I black these out, I'm not gonna have at the grill no more.
So when you say at the grill, it's like they go left to right or some shit?
Yeah, like these close, like this shit close when I lock it.
Look at this, man. I say M performance, by the way. Twin turbo, like it's some geek shit, bro. That shit sound good. Oh God. Hell yeah, bro. I'm proud of you, twin. Proud of you, twin. This bitch so cool. Look at the headlights, bro.
It's just the beginning, y'all boys. Y'all don't know what's gonna be next.
Just the beginning, facts.
Oh my God.
Neighbors probably like, who y'all is? Who these black N-words? Oh God. So, I just wanted to show y'all a good little tour of Twin Whip. This bitch so P.
Y'all gonna get ride along soon.
Ride along video soon, y'all. Oh God. They bitch so hard, bro.
Get these zeros, bro.
So let's do it. I see one more time though. They bitch smooth. Hell yeah. More videos on the way. Just drop video suggestions in the comments, whatever. Like, I'm finna just post anything. I got a little troll video too. I'm finna post. Me and my partner Biggs. It was in the drive-thru. I was just wigging on all the customers. I was like, shut up, make my fresh. And then that shit was kind of like funny though, but we're gonna post that too. Hell yeah. So